84 Box Chevy. Had it in the garage sitting for about 3 years. Yeah, I abandoned it. You see, got the kids' shoes all on top. I fixed it up before, and I wanted to change the color and do something else to it. Engine, 305 stock. Ain't really nothing modified to it. Been sitting for a minute, man. I'm gonna try to crank it up and see what's up. You see the tires flat. Front tire, both of the front tires flat. So I had to get some new tires maybe. Or buy some used ones because I'm gonna get rims soon. So yeah, my 84 box, man. I want y'all to see the transformation when I, from the beginning to the end, so that way, when people be saying they be paying like 20 grand in it, I ain't paying 20 grand in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm paying a couple of grand, but not no 20 grand. And so, get all this. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff, little detail, my kids be in the garage playing. If I wish I had like a yard or something, could have kept under the shed or something. Got it. So, I'm gonna try to fire it up, man. I'm gonna let y'all see when I fire it up how it sounds. So, stay tuned.